Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet these beautiful bookmarks with leftover yarn. You can make it longer or shorter and it depends on the length of your book. It's very quick and easy pattern, so I think it will be a good choice for beginners and also perfect for gifts. Materials list and all crochet symbols that I used in this tutorial are in the description box. And now before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Tell me what do you think. Let's get started. Make a slip knot and 3 chains. Now insert your hook into the starting chain and make 3 half double crochet. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the same chain. For my book size, I'll make 50 chains. You can make more or less, and it depends on the length of your book. Skip 3 chains and make 3 double crochet together in the 4th chain from the hook. Now you have 4 loops on the hook, so yarn over and pull through the 4 loops together. Make a 3 chain picot and insert your hook in the 1st chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 2. Now go to the next chain and make 3 double crochet together as the first side. You have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 4 together. Now chain 3 picot. Insert your hook here in the 1st chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, then slip stitch into the same chain. Let's make the bud by tying a slip knot. Insert your hook under the 2 chains here. Pull the yarn. Chain 2. Make 4 double crochets together in the next 2 stitches. Here, the first one. Insert your hook and make 2 in the first one and 2 in the second one. This is the first double crochet, and in the same stitch make the second double crochet. You have 3 loops, and then go to the next stitch and make the third one. Insert your hook in the same stitch and make the 4th double crochet. You should have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 5 loops together. Then make a 3 chains picot. Insert your hook in the first chain here and make a slip stitch. Chain 2. Go to the other chain 2 here and insert your hook under the chain 2 and make a slip stitch. Now let's make the flower by tying a slip knot. Insert your hook under the picot space. Then make chain 2. In the same space, make 5 double crochets. chain 2, slip stitch into the same space. In the next chain 2 space, make slip stitch, chain 2, five double crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch. Insert your hook into the picot space and repeat the pattern. Slip stitch, chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow. Thank you.